Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, I want to explain about my research title. Our research topic is the formation of student morality at University of Islamic Science Malaysia from the perspective of the Sunnah, a review of Sahih Bukhari. My name is Muhammad Shawal bin Fakurazi. My matric number 1221184. Next, I would like to explain my problem statement. The problem of moral decline among University of Islamic Science Malaysia, USIM, student persist even though various social learning components that promote character development have been identified. However, research of Sunnah-based method, particularly those derived from Sahih al-Bukhari, remains limited. The overall objective of Islamic education may be undermined when students lack moral values, as they may become disoriented in decision-making, lose their integrity and fail to uphold Islamic principles in their daily life. And now I want to explain about my research gap. There is a growing trend in the study of akhlaq in universities, but the study of Islam, especially in relation to the Sunnah, is still not widely utilized in akhlaq education. Although some studies support the interpretation of the Quran and Hadith in the development of ethics, few give specific attention to the practical application of Sahih al-Bukhari in shaping moral education at the tertiary level. Therefore, the purpose of this study is to analyze the selected texts by examining several hadiths from Sahih al-Bukhari and relating them to the moral development of university students in the present era. Next is methodology. Approach qualitative textual analysis, design thematic analysis of hadith from the book of Bukhari. Research objectives, firstly, is to identify the hadith in Sahih al-Bukhari that are related to the development of moral character and ethics among university students. Research question, firstly, what are the relevant hadiths in the Sahih al-Bukhari that relate to the moral ethical development of university students? Method of data collection is document analysis or library research. Instrument, hadith text from Sahih al-Bukhari or scholarly commentaries. Research objective, secondly, is to describe how the moral values found in the Sahih al-Bukhari can be applied in the daily life of university students. Research question, secondly, is how can the moral values contained in this hadith be practically implemented in the life of university students? Method of data collection is document analysis. Instrument, secondary sources such as academic journal, articles, and institutional report. Research objective, lastly, is to analyze the impact and effectiveness of applying Sunnah-based values in shaping student moral conduct at the university level. Research question, lastly, is in what ways do the application of Sunnah-based value influence the moral development of university students and what factors affect their effectiveness? Method of data collection is thematic analysis. Instrument is documentation related to the student program, institutional report, and thematic coding and set-down matrices. That's all from me. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this presentation can help increase your knowledge. Thank you.